Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to use the Adobe fonts inside Canva for more professional branding, presentations and creative projects, then this guide will walk you through the updated process step by step. So first of all, it's very important for you to know that Canva does not directly integrate with Adobe fonts through the automatic syncing. This means that Adobe fonts from the Creative Cloud account cannot be imported directly through a built-in Adobe connection. So in this situation, what you can do is you can just simply click on this start your free trial. So to use the external fonts in Canva, you will need Canva Pro, which you can get absolutely for free for 30 days. So after the subscription is activated, you will be able to upload the fonts very easily. Now, some of the Adobe fonts may allow manual download depending on licensing or if you own equivalent font files separately. So if downloadable font files are available, so supported formats usually include OTF, TTF or WOFF in some cases. So inside Canva, you just have to simply click on the option of brand. Then here select the option of brand kit. Over here you can create a brand kit, but as I've told you earlier, this comes under the Canva Pro subscription. So after that you just have to upload the fonts and then you just have to choose the compatible font file. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.